Once again, I welcome you to this channel, Physics Hub. The title of this video is how to solve this type of quantum mechanics problem. So let me just show you the problem, then we'll go for the solution. The problem reads like this: if the operators A and B satisfy the commutation relation AB is equals to identity, I is the identity operator, then what will be the value of e to the power AB? So I think many of you know how to solve this kind of problem, but let me just reiterate it again, those who do not know or know it vaguely. So after this, your idea will be clear. So you have to find out the commutation between e to the power a and b, and provided that ab is equals to I. Okay, so let me just do it for you. This is the solution. Okay, first of all, what is given? You are writing the commutation of these two operators AB is giving you an identity operator I. That's it. And if we write e to the power AB, which we have to find out, what you can do in the first step, you can just expand this e to the power a. You know, we cannot write 1 because everything here is operator, quantum mechanical operator. So instead of 1, we'll write I. So I is replacement of 1. 1 plus x. X is a by 1 factorial. Okay, plus a square by 2 factorial plus a cube by 3 factorial, and it will go on up to infinity. It will contain infinite number of terms, and those infinite number of terms will commute with b. I hope you are understanding. So how many terms we are expecting? We are expecting infinite terms. Okay, I'm just writing the first few terms. So the first term will be I b plus, this will be 1 by 1 factorial commutation between AB plus 1 by 2 factorial commutation between a square and b plus 1 by 3 factorial a cube b. So in this way things will go on, and there are infinite number of terms. I am not writing them. IB, this commutation value is 0 because the I is an identity operator, plus this AB is given to you an identity as an identity operator. Now what about this term? So 2 factorial is 2, a square into b. A square into b is like a into a. So this can be written as a into AB. By considering the first a, considering the second a, you can write AB times a. Similarly, if you write this term, what will be this term? This will be 1 upon 3 factorial a cube into b. So you can write it a square into a and b, right? So what we can write it? We can write it as a square ab, okay, plus we can write a square b a. You can express this in this way, plus dot dot dot. It will go like this. Okay, so you can write a square into a or a into a square, whatever you want to write, you can just write. I hope it is clear. A square into a, so a square you have taken a square ab, okay, and a keeping a square here. Okay, so what does this term produce? So first of all, this is I plus ab is equals to I. So a plus a, 2a by 2 is a, and this term will produce a square by 2 factorial. The next term will produce a cube by 3 factorial, and it will go on like this, which is equals to e to the power a. And we have utilized these things. First of all, the given ab is equals to I. This is the thing, and from this a square into b, a square b, the commutation of a square b, as you can see, this is nothing but 2a. Okay, now similarly a cube b will come here, that commutation will be 3a square, and it will go on, so on. So the correct option for this question is e to the power a. So option A is the correct option for this question, e to the power a. So I hope all of you have understood this problem very well. If you have any question or query, you can just let me know. Okay, so Before I end the video, let me just tell you can guys follow me on Unacademy Plus if you are targeting for the upcoming CS and NET physical science exam. You can visit this URL https://unacademy.com/physics to get all my courses. You can get the detailed courses on mathematical physics, classical mechanics, CMT, and many detailed course you can get. You can get these recordings and the live classes also you can get by single subscription. A lot of benefits are there of taking an Unacademy Plus subscription. Some of them are listed here, and you can just pause and read. And guys, one announcement that price hike will be there by 20% by 31st of May. So if you are planning to take the subscription, take it right away. Physics Hub, you can utilize this referral code Physics Hub for getting the maximum benefits. This is the current subscription rate, but this is going to be increasing by 31st of May. So take the subscription as soon as possible, and you can see the price here by zooming. And if you apply this referral code Physics Hub PHYSICXHUB, Unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching a goal. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.